level join. Okay. So my dear young scientists, you are full of wonder, creativity, and big dreams. This year, you explored, discovered, and learned so many amazing things, isn't it? Grade 1 SSES, always stay curious. Tandaan nyo. Keep asking questions and never stop believing in what you can do. Ligid firme sa inyong self. The world needs your bright ideas and kind hearts. Continue to dream big. Aim high and soar high, my dear SSES. Congratulations and always keep shining. Okay, so this school year, our grade 1 SSES explored a world full of wonder, asking questions, discovering answers, and learning new skills. So today, we recognize not only high academic performance, but also creativity, curiosity, good values, and consistent effort. At this juncture, let us now have the pinning of ribbons to the pupils who consistently show kindness, respect, cleanliness, and leadership in class. So, but before that, may I call in Ma'am Alex to please assist me in the distribution of the ribbons. Okay, so tandaan nyo grade 1 SSES, you are now sa end sa inyong first step, no? Sa inyong first step. So, sa second step na mo, hopefully, na ma-continue ninyo to shine, okay? Hopefully, gani, soar high, my grade 1 SSES. Okay, kagabi, mabugat inangis. Kasi nakit na akong buot. Kagatugangan ka sa mga trabaho. Okay. So, gani, ma'am, okay, to start with, we have, ito music kayo sa awarding na to.